Maybe you're thinking about selling your home, but what are the repairs you can do to drastically increase the resale value? Today, we're going to show you how I turned this space in 3 weeks into a much more modern space and much more attractive looking home to get the homeowner his top dollar sale. Hi, this is Heather Lynn with Keller Williams Realty. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, we talk about everything real estate related and ways to maximize the sale of your home. So if you find the information useful, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification button so there's one juicy video coming your way every Monday. If you have a question about real estate, I would love to be your guide. So send me a text or shoot me an email. This property is in Daly City. It's a 2-story home in the original Daly City neighborhood. This home, I love the wide open window that you actually have a really nice view of the neighborhood. This home is more towards the top of the hill, so it's looking down into the neighborhood. So great, gorgeous view with open windows. So when the homeowner came to me, it was already in the middle of summer. The tenant is living here for another month and a half, so we won't really take possession of the home until end of August, and we want to avoid the holiday season to get this on the market. So really I only have 3 weeks to get this home ready. So I thought to myself, what are the fastest way to get this home ready? What are the necessary repairs to get this home completely transformed? So what we did was we replaced a lot of light fixtures to something that looks more modern and chic and eye-catchy. So this chandelier light, for example, in the dining area is one of the more modern pieces that we put in. We put in a like kind, this black and browns finished with industrial light bulbs. So those are very popular looking fixtures that catches people's eyes and give you a sense of modern living in this home that's a lot older. The other thing we quickly did is we assembled a team to completely refaced this kitchen. This kitchen was originally very 80s dated look with tiled countertop and this really square looking tile backsplash. So what we did was we retained the original cabinets, repainted it to a white color, and we take the element of this black and browns element from all the fixtures that we replaced, and we kind of pop that gray and white element throughout the kitchen. So what we did was we completely replaced the countertop. Instead of a tile, we have this quartz gray, easy to clean countertop replaced. We replaced all the black old appliances to brand new stainless steel appliances. Those appliances, although are very durable, very nice and modern looking, they only cost the stove, the dishwasher, and the fridge less than $3,000. So a very worthwhile replacement to increase the appeal of the house. The other thing we did was we retile, we rip out the vinyl flooring that was old and dated that make you feel like you're walking into a 70s or 80s style home into this modern tile that kind of picks up that black and gray element on the picture and at the cabinet. And this hexagon shaped backsplash tile is also another very eye-catchy modern design element that we added to this house. So this is the kitchen that we have transformed just 3 weeks. So one of the other things we did was we modernized the bathroom. The bathroom, we didn't do a whole lot. We do partial remodeling. So we retained the neutral color tile surrounds and the flooring. And then we basically replaced the vanity to something that's cleaner looking, that represents more modern design. And we replaced that light fixture to match the gold and the black element that we have throughout the house. The other thing we did was we completely repainted the interior, and I would say paint is the best way to give any house a refreshed look. Originally every room is at a different color, very contrasting color. So we neutralize the house by painting this very mute light gray color, so it doesn't draw your eyes. Your eyes are drawn to the light fixtures, the kitchen tiles. So you want people to come in and be drawn to the modern element that you put into the house and be distracted by all the older elements of the home. So that's what we did. The other things that we did was we painted the front door this very bright yellow, very cheerful color, because we're entering into the autumn and the winter season where the weather tend to be darker outside, so we want people to have a pop of color when they enter into the house. So we painted the entry door a yellow pastel color to just add that more surprise pattern. In addition to that, I put a couple of planter box with flowers in full bloom to also add to that excitement as someone walks through the house. So you might ask, what's the renovation cost of all this work? We actually spent about, I think, $40,000, including labor, material, and 3 weeks of time to do all this work. And that includes the kitchen remodeling, the light fixture replacements, all the material purchase, paint. So I think that based on this, a $40,000 spend in investment could drastically increase the resale value at least by $100,000, if not more. We did another video on how a simple repair could drastically increase the resale value on my other Daly City listing. So if you're curious about how that one turned out, watch this video right here.